Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to understand about view and how to create a view in a T-SQL. We are going to understand that. What is view? View is like a virtual table which is created using a SQL query. It doesn't store the data itself, but runs the query every time whenever it is accessed. So what is a view? View is nothing but it's like a virtual table. It's like a virtual table which created using a SQL query. When we are saying a virtual table means it doesn't store the data physically. It will not store the data physically, but whenever you will call, right, this SQL query will be executed and you will get the result. You will get the results. There are lots of use case we have in the views. For taking example, suppose business is asking you to analyze the customer data, and they want to analyze the product data, and suppose they want to analyze the sales data, and also they want to analyze the transaction and the subscription data. Now you can see you have a data which is available in a multiple place. Now what is happening, whenever the business is asking any data which is related to the customer, product, sales and the transaction, right, and subscription, what actually you do, you perform a multi lines of the join operation. You try to join all this table again and again. If they are asking any data related to the customer, product, sales and the subscription, what actually you do, you perform multi lines of the join operation and you write a complex query. So instead of performing this operation again and again, what actually you can do, this query, whatever the join operation you are doing, right, you can write the query one time. This complex query, and you can convert into the view. Now this view will not store the data, but whenever you will call, right, this all the join operation will happen and you will get the result. Means instead of writing the same complex query again and again, what actually you can do, you can convert into the view, and whenever it's required, right, you can call the view. So there are lots of advantage we get in a view. It simplifies the complex query. So instead of writing the same complex query again and again, you can convert into the view, and whenever you will require, right, what actually you can call, you can directly call the view and you will get the result. Reusable, we can reuse the same query again and again. You can reuse the same view again and again. Security, so it is secure also, because what actually happens, whenever you will share a table with any user, right, in this table you can also have a PII data and most of the information which you don't want to share. So what actually you can do, based on the query you can convert into the view, and whatever the column which is business is asking, right, that particular specific column you can share with the user. So that's how actually you can secure your table. Instead of sharing the table, what actually you can do, you can share the views. And you can share with the users. So it is from the security and access perspective also, it is very much useful. Now the next is like it is easily integrated with the BI tool. That is the advantage. Now let how to create a view. Let's see. We have to write create view and the view name, and whatever the complex query, right, multiple join of operation you are doing, whatever the complex query you can write that. That's it. And whenever you have to call, what you will write, select star from view name. Suppose this is the view name, right, that you have to write and you will get the result. So let's see in Fabric how to create a view. So what you have to write for creating a view, create view and the view name. Suppose I want to create a test view, and after that you have to write the your query. So suppose I want to create one view, select star from superstore, select star from gold dot superstore. And as of now, based on this table only I am creating, but suppose you have a very complex query where you are writing a multiple lines of the join operation, you can write all the kind of the complex query here. Now if I'll execute this, right, looks like the superstore is not there. Let me see the data. What are the table available? We have a consumer table, so we'll give the consumer here. Now let me execute the same query. What will happen, one view will be created. Now if you want to access this view, right, you can access with the help of the select star from view, and if you run this, right, you will get the same result whatever is available in the consumer. So this generally we use whenever you have a very complex query where you are performing multiple join operation and all, right? There you write all your query here and you create a view, and whenever you require, right, you will just call it like this. So you can see as of now we have just given the create view and the test view. So what will happen? This will be created under this DBO. You can see test view got created. If you will specify schema, then on that particular schema only the view will be created. But I hope you got the idea how to create a view and what are the use case.